Somewhere inside you, right now, a countdown is running. Not on a screen, inside your cells. And at hour 16, something switches on that scientists once thought only happened during starvation, disease, or dying. It's called autophagy, your body eating itself alive to save itself. This is the exact timeline of how it happens. Hour 12. Glycogen reserves run dry. Blood glucose dips. Insulin finally falls quiet. In its silence, glucagon rises. Deep in every cell, AMK stirs like a smoke detector sensing heat, while its rival, mTOR, begins to power down. This is the first crack in the door. Hour 14. The door swings open. Autophagosomes form, wrapping around damaged mitochondria and worn-out proteins, the junk quietly accumulating for years. They drag their cargo to the lysosome, the cell's incinerator, where it's broken down into raw material. Growth hormone climbs, preserving muscle as fat becomes fuel. Your body isn't shutting down, it's renovating. Hour 16. Researchers call this the autophagy threshold. Ketone production rises, fueling the brain cleanly. Sirtuins, the longevity proteins, activate, repairing DNA and calming inflammation at its most efficient rate, clearing the cellular clutter linked to aging and disease. It's not magic, it's evolution. But autophagy isn't a light switch, flipping on precisely at 16 hours for everyone. It's a cellular renovation crew, arriving right on schedule. If your body could talk, hour 16 is the moment it would whisper, "Thank you."